What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I am at my yard upstate. I've made a couple videos here, but today it is about 40 degrees. I think it's like 35 right now, but it should be warming up. So we are going to use this day to wash all the trucks up here and get all the salt. As you can see, these trucks get loaded up with salt, and if we just leave that for a long time, then these trucks will just get all rusty, and obviously you don't want that. So I know it doesn't seem like 35 or 40 is very warm, but most days are below freezing, so we are taking advantage of this day to do this. I am also going to fix a couple mailboxes. I have a replacement mailbox for the one that I fixed a couple videos ago, and then I have a couple more that I have to check out that we got calls about. So also, if you saw my other video here where I had wheel loader issues, here is our replacement loader. We haven't used it yet, but it is here in case we run into some more issues with this other one. And then we also have to change this plow blade. So we got a decent amount of stuff to do here today, but let me go get to this mailbox and I will catch up with you guys there. All right, guys, so it seems like the homeowner took things into his own hands and replaced his mailbox here. As you can see, he screwed in a new post to the top of the old post, or someone did, and put a box on it. We had ordered a replacement plastic one. If you saw the last video, then you saw what happened to the old one, but I guess he didn't want to wait, so that makes my job easier. The next mailbox that I have to go to is right down the road, so not that far. I will catch back up with you guys when I'm there. All right, so I just got up to this other mailbox and it is not damaged, but the guys left a pile of snow in front of it here. So the mailman obviously can't get to the mailbox and deliver their mail. The berm is pretty high here, and this is a solid chunk, so I am gonna have to grab one of our loaders and come here, up here with that and clear that out a little bit, just so that they can get their mail. But I'm gonna go check this last one that says the mailbox is damaged, and I will catch back up with you guys when I'm there. All right, guys, so this mailbox got destroyed. Seems like they screwed the backing plate of the mailbox right to the post, and obviously the plow was pretty far away, so it must have been this heavy slush stuff flying up and just took the mailbox for a ride. So I'm gonna see if they still have it, and then I'm gonna try and get one that matches up and just mount it the same way they had it mounted. So let me go see if they have one, and then if not, I'm gonna have to take a ride to Home Depot and buy one. But I will catch back up with you guys when I figure this out. All right, guys, so luckily Rodrigo brought a new mailbox up with him, so I'm just gonna have to pull this plate off and somehow screw this one on, but my screw gun doesn't fit inside. So what I'm thinking is I'm gonna have to put some holes in the back of this first, and then grab a screwdriver out of here and put the screws in by hand, because I'm not really sure how else to do that. So I'm gonna throw this on a time lapse and hopefully figure this out pretty quick. Alright guys, so I got this new mailbox on here. It is a little wobbly. I don't know if you can see the screws back there. Yeah, you can. But I couldn't get them completely tight by hand. So this has a little wobble to it. There used to be something here that supported the bottom, it seems. But this will have to do for now. Hopefully it lasts through the winter and we don't have to come back out here, but I'm not too confident in that. So it is what it is for now. Let me head back to our shop, check out with Rodrigo, and then I'm gonna grab that loader and go clear in front of that other mailbox. So I cleared in front of all the mailboxes. I did that one and this one, and I even did that one a little bit because obviously if you look here, this was all covered in snow. So I'm sure these guys weren't getting their mail either. So while I was here, I might as well just take care of it. But they should have no issue, besides the garbage cans being in the way. But they should have no issue getting their mail now. So the mailman can drive right up to this. That's the curb there. So don't want to destroy that too much. But yeah, that should be pretty good for now. So I'm gonna head back down and start getting these trucks clean. All right guys, so I'm back down here. Rodrigo has this blade pretty much done. He's just tightening all the bolts on it. But as you can see, we have this blade on the back, this one on the front. Once this wears down, they'll both be wearing together after that. But I am gonna pull this truck over to our salt bin over there. I gotta clear all this salt off. It's kind of hard, and there's a little bit in here that I'm gonna run out, but basically I'm gonna clean all the big chunks off and everything and get it as empty as possible so we can wash it and get it much cleaner. It's not gonna be perfect because it's the middle of the winter still, and they're only going to put more salt on it. So we're just going to get all the salt off of the chain and the bearings and stuff and give it a nice rinse. But let me pull over to the bin and get this empty. All right, so we shoveled all the hard stuff off. We cleared the big chunks out from there, and we emptied the rest that was in the salter, so that is empty. Rodrigo is setting up the pressure washer right now, and we are gonna rinse the rest of this loose stuff off and get this clean. And basically we will do this with all 4 of the trucks that we have here, and then we'll probably rinse the loader a little bit too. So I'm gonna set up some time lapse here, and I will catch back up with you guys when we're done. All right, guys, so we have a nice empty shop right now. We have our loader and 2 of the trucks over there, and we got 2 more trucks down there that we just finished washing. I am leaving Rodrigo here to finish the other 2. I have to head down to our other shop to take care of some things, but that's pretty much what we got going on up here. There's another snowstorm this Friday, so they're just gonna get dirty, but we're just getting the majority of the salt off of them and all the big chunks and stuff. But I am gonna get on the road, and I will catch back up with you guys when I am down at our other shop. All right, guys, so I am back down at my other shop, and if you remember this truck from the past video, we just got it back. We sent it up. This is the one we pulled the plows out of. We sent it up to this guy to sandblast the frame and repaint it, so it looks decent. We didn't do anything on the dump body up under here. I don't know if you can see it really, but it's still a little rusty in there, but all the frame got sandblasted and painted, but it's decent. My father is gonna have to take a look at it, because if you see here and here, this all looks like rust, but it could just be the metal eaten down. So I'm not really sure. My father is gonna have to come tomorrow and take a look at it, but it looks pretty good. So that's that. We have another truck up at this guy. We had a low boy tow it up there and then tow this one back down for us, but hopefully he does a good job on that one. Me and my cousin are about to head upstate and grab another truck. I'm gonna take that home tonight and then bring it down in the morning. But that pretty much wraps up this video. If you guys have any questions, any comments, leave them down below. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.